Yo boys, welcome back to day 30 of attempting max allocation on Top Step. Now today, you're going to see two trades over this week. So yesterday, Monday, and today, Tuesday. As well as last week, you saw we hit some fucking bangers.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. TP head. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go, Calvo.
Easy. Easy.
Order filled.
That worked. Literally 39 seconds, bro. As you all noticed, I entered immediately off the break. Let's get into the video. If you haven't already, shut the fuck up. And if you want to join the live trading room that I'm going to be in for the foreseeable, link in the description. Come on. So something I've just done, boys, is I've actually just purchased my girlfriend a funded account. As you can see here, set it all up on her phone. So make it peace. Alright, so
we gotta wait here. We might take buys up here. Let's see if she keeps pushing. Fuck it.
bye.
Fuck it.
Boom. So as you saw there, at that moment when I turn around and go by, I'm telling my girlfriend to break. Now, again, bruv, like when I first started doing this shit, you man were telling me like, oh, you went in too aggressive, all this shit. But look, someone who knows what they're doing is doing the exact same thing. As soon as that shit's breaking structure, we are in, no hesitation, and allowing two trades, because if it fakes out, we just go to the sell, right? And it doesn't mean it's going to win every single day or every single time. But bruv, listen to me. Don't listen to me. I'm just giving you my advice on what I think and my opinion, and then also showing you and showcasing someone who I really believe in doing the same shit. So I don't know. But yeah, so my girlfriend's in. Boom. I'm just about to get in, and now I'm gonna shut the fuck up and you can watch this trade play out. Beautiful. Sub the fuck up if you aren't already. Pussy.
Full port.
Order filled.
If I lose this trade, I'll lose it.
So good. You just sit. Let's see if it's all set.
We're trying to pass this in one trade, guys.
Yeah. See what happens.
I full ported this shit. We'll see if it works. Today I'm going to use a 25-point stop. If I lose, I'm just going to reset the accounts and pass them tomorrow. I should have mentioned that before I did this. I do this to pass the accounts very fast. And then I'd rather have more time in the funded state. Like if I lose the trade, I'll just reset the account. I don't mind that.
How we want it, really. But that's why you gotta just be able to sit. You got a way better entry than me. So look, guys, one of the things I would really want to point out right now is just holding and sitting on your hands and just trading like a fucking robot. Now the trade played around a little bit today, but we just had to sit. Taking peas. Oh wow, 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 wow.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh wow, 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 wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh, come on. Pass that bitch.
I think we're just about passing.
3 rack on the account.
No, leave it. Oh wait. Boom, you've made 1,000 though.
Order filled.
Boom, we won.
All the Apex accounts. One trade, one go. 165 people here. Let's go to the YouTube and see how many
fucking
people
20
on
accounts.
YouTube.
He's made a bag.
Come on, man. Come on, go.
Order filled.
Boom,
Come
we won.
on, baby. We'll take profits. Like that, past all the Apex accounts. One trade, one go. I told you I was going to do it. It doesn't get better than that, baby. That is crazy. Look at how many people are in here now.
Boom, shakalaka. So as you saw from that trade there, we hit a fat 1-2 and smashed it. Even my girlfriend on her first day, taking her first ever trade, smashed her fucking bag. He's made a bag.
Come on, man. Come on, go.
So, beautiful day. If you want to join this live training room, which I will be trading live with AJ for the foreseeable, as he's the one who's going to be mentoring and I'm going to be learning off of closely. Link in the description. 7 days free. Jump the fucking. Especially, bro, if you're trading breakouts, like why the fuck not? Like, I don't know. But yo, boom. But yo, also I forgot to mention. Look at the balance on this account. We passed another funded, baby. I completely forgot about that. We passed another funded account yesterday, so I'll show you the emails and shit just for confirmation. Boom. So there it is, boys. That's the new fucking combine pass. So that's 3 down, 2 to go, right? So check it. if you want the proof, activate my account. There's literally no point me activating this right now, but here's the activation. If I wanted to activate the account, this is what I would do. Boom, 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 all this shit, right? Alright, cool. I'd have to pay the dollars, right? Boom, 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 boom. Not activating it right now. So there are the results on the account. As you can see, 11 trading days. Now, every single one of the other accounts would have actually been passed right now. But because of the AWS outage that happened a couple of weeks back, was it last week or the week before that? It didn't collect the green days. It just fucking reset my account. So it is what it is. We would have been passed all on this day, but keep it moving, right?
All right, let's break this trade down. You guys ready? In my eyes, when price goes on a movement or a run like this, right, without much consolidation, I'd say anything above 80 points, this right here is going to get filled. We have to wait to see the proper break of structure. Thankfully, we didn't have to wait until price broke structure up here, the lows of this range right here, for us to take a buy. We were able to take such an aggressive buy on the break of the 625 candle because price had faked out to the bottom side first. Price hadn't faked to the bottom side first. We would have had to have been way more conservative with our entry for buys. In this case, we were able to be aggressive because price quote unquote grabs liquidity. Won pretty much all day, all week. All right, we got open. Let's see.
Wow.
All right, I'm long. Whoa. It didn't even place it.
Oh, I didn't place it. Top steps down.
What the fuck is going on here?
There we are. We've literally just ended the trade, right? AJ's ended the trade. I've ended the trade. Everyone's ended the trade. And we're top steps doing some fuckery. And it just said that the order had been placed, but was pending and nothing happened. Now, he thought it was his Wi-Fi. It wasn't his Wi-Fi. It was actually just top step because I had the same issue. And other people in the comments also had the same issue. So, weird one. But yesterday we took this trade. But yeah, we passed the account, as you can see here. But now we have two accounts. Keep fuck off with that. We've got two accounts left, so we've already got past two accounts. We've passed another one, which I just need to activate this account. As you can see here, activate the fucking account. And then past these two. And now the balance on these two, unfortunately, these would have already been passed at the same exact time as the one that I just did yesterday, today, whatever you want to call it. But because of the AWS outage and because of Top Step going down, what was it, last week or the week before that, I didn't collect the green there. So annoying, but we keep it moving. So the balance that we have left is we need to get $900 on this account and we need to collect 1.2k on this account. So what I'm going to do is basically, if I'm risking $500 a trade and I'm going for 1 or 2s, 1 or 2 is basically going to clear and pass this account, right? It's going to pass this account, right? Now the other one with the 1.2, that's a 1 to 2.5 RR. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade on the account that needs 1.2k, but on this account that only needs 900, I'm going to go to the settings like I am right now, and I'm going to put 9, 10. I'm going to make sure that the account is liquidated. In fact, I'll do 20 just for slippage and all that shit. Liquidate, boom. So as soon as this account hits 920, it's going to stop and get out of the trade. I also need to make sure it's not the leader, which, oh no, it's not the leader because it's not passed. So what I'll do is now go back to this account that requires 1.2k. On copy trading, I'll make this now the leader, right? Because it has more profit it needs to make. Boom. So this is now the leader account. So, boom, we got followers. So I'm just copy trading these two accounts now. So what will happen is when that account, the first account that I just showed you, put the fucking, whatever it's called, on the wrist lockout, it hits $900, it just exits the trade. But because it's not the leader account, it doesn't stop all accounts. But the leader account, obviously because it requires more profit, I leave this running a little bit longer to a 1 to 2.5 RR. I don't know, you fucking know what I'm trying to say. We do that, run it up, we'll pass all the fucking account. I left at gym, bitch.
Yeah.
I wanted to go long right around here.
So jarring.
Order pending. It says.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
Oh, now it's filled.
Order filled, yeah.
Not sure why that's some bullshit,
I'm gonna lose that.
but alright.
So we sat in this trade for a little bit, and it was obviously being fucking dodgy, and then US 30 started to tank, bruv. So
Oh, I'm probably gonna close this then.
yeah, we decided that we was gonna get out.
Yeah, I'm closing this. If US 30 is
Order
moving to the
filled.
downside, I'm out of NASDAQ.
It's close.
I'm not risking that.
Right, I'll break even it.
Wait to see here. Let me pull up TradingView as well. If US 30 just dumped 70
Order filled.
points.
I'm out.
Ooh, it does look like QQQ is still pushing the upside.
Get to a
It's okay though.
downside.
I exited that NASDAQ position.
He's out of it. I'm out.
That's a break-even position for me. You guys see my thing? Because if YM dumped, the probability of NQ dropping goes up extremely high. Yeah, see.
Yeah.
If you see something this on on YM or ES while you're trading NQ, the smartest thing I would do is get out of NQ, because while it still could go up here and hit our full target, just the likelihood of that happening goes down. So now I just wait, sit on my hands, and look for a sell. Hopefully we don't lose this trade.
See, I was looking for him. He's in the red right now.
Okay.
Push then.
Just give me in some profits. Come on.
So on the sell here, as you can see, I personally didn't decide to take the trade at the same time, just simply because, yeah, we can watch and follow someone trade for trade, but at the same time, I am also using my own brain. It's just like, if I'm going to take a trade and I believe in the trade, trading with someone alongside gives me the confidence. Now in this trade, I personally just didn't feel it, so I didn't enter yet, but I do enter.
Man, price is acting so funky here.
You there?
That's crazy.
Half risk.
This area here pretty bad.
Order filled. Order
Okay.
filled.
He's just taking me out.
There it is. So I entered the trade, and what happened is, as soon as I entered it, just exited me out. If anyone knows why, or if anyone's had this same issue, please let me know, because I don't have a fucking clue why I did it. But today, it worked in my favour, because this ends up being a losing trade, as a lot of you will already know. It ends up being a losing trade, and I would have lost $500 instead of, I just basically broke even. 48, it's basically a break even. So I kind of got away lucky today, even though today was a losing day. So we keep it moving. Yo, I'm happy about that.
This is a losing day. We just took a loss right here. So we took a sell on a break of structure here. Price did not like us. We actually got out at like 23 points, 24.
Yeah.
Price did not take that break of structure. We were targeting at least a 1 to 2.
See how you win the way bigger.
So first out of the week, we are still up pretty fat. We passed the apexes yesterday. We were hoping to pass the top steps today. We'll have to do the top steps literally on Thursday.
See that, bro? It's all minor, because here we go. So far, since the 11th of December, I've literally lost only 3 times this month since that date. And everything else has been green, right? Now, today we took a mini break even, a mini loss if you want to call it, but it is what it is. Now, I know that this strategy is a profitable strategy, and if you think otherwise, you're fucking dumb. Or you tried it and you just failed and gave up early, like a fucking bunch of you fannies, bro. Oh, like, scam. Shut up. Come and eat me fucking shoe, you dickhead. But yo, I need to put it on the whiteboard, actually. But yeah, I know this strategy is profitable. So statistically, mechanically, all that fucking Einstein shit, it will play out in these accounts. The last 2 will be passed. And then we can finally take this bitch off. Finally. And you'll see me eventually. One day you'll see me just come up here, turn the camera around, I'll go, boom. You'll see all these yellow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll go, I told you so. But yo, if you're not ready, sub the fuck up. And if you want, join this live trading room below. Links in the description. Be there, be... Right, it's getting gay now. Anyway, safe boys. Peace.